Hi, and welcome to week 2 of CNET66, the Security Plus course. Let me share my screen real quick. And all right, so here we are in the my other screen real quick. So here's the course, which you are all pretty familiar with. I just want to highlight a couple things. First off, if you want to meet with me at any time, just click on this Zoom with the professor and then click on this bit.ly link, and it will take you right to my Zoom meeting place. And I'll get an email, I'll get a notification on my phone that says, hey, somebody wants to meet, and I'll jump on there. Now, remember, every Tuesday well, let me look in the syllabus and get these time right. But every Tuesday from 10 to 11, I will be ready. I'll be right at my computer for that hour waiting in case anybody wants to meet right away. Okay, so that's a scheduled synchronous office hour. There are also virtual office hours, which means you can click on that Zoom with the professor at any time or send me an email at any time and I can meet with you as well. All right. So week 2, now we're into physical security network and host design. So if you come into the learning objectives here, you can read those, and they're going to get you going on that. Those don't look right. Hold on. And so this week we're going to be in Module 3, Module 4, and Module 5 on the test out. Now, you probably notice I have the PowerPoints here that are not on test out, they're on Canvas. So you can always look at those. But if you go into these labs, and remember our test out, the free subscription is going to expire at the end of this week. So you want to make sure you purchase your subscription to that so you can continue to go forward. But you just click on one of these links and it will load up test out right in your thing. Now, if you're not registered, it will ask you to register and do that. But you can come in here and do these labs. Now, the labs are only worth 2 points each, but there are a lot of them. So you want to make sure you get those done. You can do these as many times as you want. So make sure you take advantage of that. If you ever are looking at the module and you're like, well, where's the information that will tell me, how do I know what is physical security? Well, if you go, when you're in test out, if you click on this hamburger menu, you can go into all the modules here. The chapters are listed, and you can go in any one of them and see all of the material for the material. So there's videos here. There are some facts that you can read over, some great tables and charts in here. And then, of course, there's the lab, which is this with the little mouse sign. And then there's a quiz at the end. These are ungraded. Everything on here is ungraded except for the labs. And you can go in there and take those and just solidify your understanding of the material. All right, so you notice last week we only had 2 labs, the 226 and 2311. This week we have a bunch of them, okay? So, and again, as most of you commented in the discussion forum, you didn't have any problems with test out, and it's relatively quick to get through these. But you are going to have to remember, I recommend that you budget at least 6 hours a week for this course. So to get through all these labs, some of these you may have to do a couple times to really understand what they're asking you. Okay, so just be careful with that. All right, so as always, if you have any questions or comments or concerns, you can reach out to me via email. You can send me a message from the Canvas inbox, or you can chat with me over Zoom and with the Zoom with your professor link. All right. Hopefully that gets you going good for this week, and I will see you online later on.